Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add auto subtitle and automatic caption in your video. First of all, you have to add a video in your
Hello
CapCut
everyone.
timeline. After that, you have to click on this text button. Here you can see you have to click on this text button. After that, here you can see option auto captions. You have to click on this auto caption button again. Now here you have to select any caption template from here. For example, I like this template. I like this template. You can also select your favorite template here. Now after that, you have to click on this generate. Now here you can see captions is generating. Now here you have to wait few seconds. After that, here you can see captions is generated. In this way you can generate captions for your videos. Now here you can see captions is generated. Now you can resize this caption with your mobile phone screen and your
In
screen.
this video,
Now
I am
here
going
you
to show
can
you how to
see
hide ads
this
on
caption
Facebook.
is generated. In this
Before
way you
starting
can
this
generate
video, please
captions for
subscribe my
your
channel.
videos.
Friends,
Uh,
if you are not
in
liking
this
any
way you
ad on
can
Facebook
generate
and want to
captions.
hide the
Thanks for
ad,
watching
then
this
in this
video. See you in the
video, I
next
will tell you
video.
how you can hide it.